Welcome to this lesson on neutrons. Neutrons are neutral particles found in the nucleus of an atom. In this video, you will learn about their properties, their role in atomic structure, and why they are essential for understanding chemistry and physics. Let's begin our exploration of these fascinating subatomic particles. A neutron is a subatomic particle with no electric charge. This means it is electrically neutral, unlike protons, which are positive, and electrons, which are negative. Neutrons are located in the nucleus, which is the dense center of an atom. They sit alongside protons, forming the core of every atom except regular hydrogen. Let's look at the key properties of neutrons. First, neutrons have zero charge, making them completely neutral. They are represented by the symbol N or N0. Neutrons have a mass of approximately 1.008 atomic mass units, which is slightly heavier than a proton. In fact, neutrons are just a tiny bit more massive than protons, though both contribute similarly to the atom's overall mass. The neutron was discovered by British physicist James Chadwick in 1932. His groundbreaking work revealed the existence of this neutral particle in the atomic nucleus. For this important discovery, Chadwick was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1935. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of atomic structure and opened the door to nuclear physics. Neutrons play several crucial roles in the atom. First, they provide nuclear stability by reducing the repulsion between positively charged protons. Since protons repel each other, neutrons act as a buffer, helping to hold the nucleus together. Second, neutrons contribute to the atomic mass of elements. Finally, neutrons are responsible for creating different isotopes of the same element, which we'll explore more in the next section. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons. They have the same number of protons, which defines the element, but varying neutron counts change their mass. For example, carbon has 3 common isotopes: carbon-12, carbon-13, and carbon-14. All 3 have 6 protons, making them carbon, but they have 6, 7, and 8 neutrons respectively. This variation in neutrons creates isotopes with different properties. How do we calculate the number of neutrons in an atom? It's simple. The number of neutrons equals the mass number minus the atomic number. The mass number is the total of protons and neutrons, while the atomic number represents just the protons. For example, carbon-12 has a mass number of 12 and an atomic number of 6. 12 minus 6 equals 6 neutrons. This formula works for any element. Let's review the key points. Neutrons are neutral particles found in the nucleus of atoms. They provide stability to the atomic nucleus by reducing proton repulsion. Neutrons contribute significantly to atomic mass. And finally, different neutron counts in the same element create isotopes with varying properties. Understanding neutrons is fundamental to grasping atomic structure and the behavior of elements. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.